Hi, welcome to Moon Info. I'm Faizi and with me is Mr. Rajput. Before start the video, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will learn more about this code. Are you ready? Let's start. Today we're going to teach you 10 more words in Malay. Number 1 is dad or father. In Malay is abah or ayah. I repeat again, abah or ayah.
Bap, Abu.
Number 2 is elder brother, or in Malay is abang. Abang.
Bada Bai.
Number 3 is waterfall, or air terjun. I repeat again, air terjun.
Abshar.
Tears, or air mata. Air mata.
Ansu.
Number 6 is ice, or ice. Ice.
Baraf.
If you want us to teach you more, make sure subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Number 7 is like, or suka. I repeat again, suka.
Sand.
Number 8 is honey, or madu. I repeat again, madu.
Shahad.
Number 9, mosque, or masjid. Masjid.
Masjid.
Angry, or marah. I repeat again, marah.
Naraz. Number 10. Time. In Malay, masa. I repeat again, masa. Waqt.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.